it gets done when you show up. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses and digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First, and today we're talking about showing up to get it done. Okay, as a really quick reminder, especially for all my high performers out there, high achievers out there. I know it's Friday. I like to use the weekends to actually jump into projects and moving things forward and all of those things. And I know most people want to take the weekends to chill, okay, relax, okay, unwind, all of those things. But if you're a high performer, you have a business, you're an entrepreneur, then you know how projects go, you know how it goes to want to get ahead of whatever it is that you are currently doing. So I'm here to remind you real quick, you got to show up to get it done. I remember this when I first got started my entrepreneurial journey. It took me 2 years. I talk about this often because I was stalled out, because I was afraid, I was procrastinating, I wasn't sure where to start, all of those things. And I felt like people were going to judge me, okay, for what it is that I actually wanted to do. And so I just sat on a business plan. I sat in the same space for so long. And this also transpired throughout my entrepreneurial journey as well. Like even as recent as like 2 years ago, okay, I was sitting on or resting on my laurels, right? I was resting on the work that I had already put in. I was resting on the accomplishments that I had already achieved, and things started to slow, okay? Things started to slow down a little bit, and I was like, we can't do that. Now, these are things that I've learned, throughout my career, my corporate career, going through getting my PhD. I've always been a self-starter. And I know a lot of my high performers who join me here in this space are also self-starters. And so, this happens a lot in business, where you kind of rest on previous accomplishments or things that you have already achieved. But I just want to encourage you, it's not about hustle mode, okay? It's not about, I don't believe in hustle culture. I don't believe in constantly being on go. Yes, I believe you should relax, you should rest, all of those things. But what I had to realize, even as recent as 2 years ago, is it's okay to celebrate wins. It's okay to celebrate the things that you've already done. But if you have a goal and you want to accomplish something, you have to show up to get it done, okay? And that's just it. A lot of the clients that I work with have these ideas for online courses or projects that they want to work on or things that they want to achieve, and they've been sitting on them for 2 years, 6 months, whatever have you. And in that time period, finally, when they start showing up, things start to move, things start to happen, it starts to get done. And so this is just a really quick reminder, like, you got to show up if you want to get stuff done. This also is pro tip. And, we talk all things premium courses, okay, luxury coaching, mentorship brands, how to build those out, all of those things. And so pro tip for your courses, I feel like it's one of those things that, we kind of, again, get stuck in this mentality of, especially coming out of corporate. Like for me, I know that the weekends were my chill time. The weekends were the time where I wanted to kick back, relax, okay, and not do anything, just kind of reset and recharge. And yes, again, that is absolutely okay. But at the same time, like, what are your goals? What do you want to have accomplished? And so, 2 years ago when I was sitting and I'm resting on my laurels and I'm like, man, I've achieved all this. It's time for me to take a break. It's time for me to chill. All of those things, I started to notice that I didn't feel as fulfilled, okay, in my work. I wasn't as fulfilled in my personal life, because a lot of times when you love what it is that you do, it never feels like work. And so that's why I always encourage, pro tip for my folks who are creating courses, find that thing that you're passionate about, not just the thing that you think is going to make the most money. What are you passionate about? What do you enjoy doing, so you don't burn out in the process, right, of creating these courses? So on the weekends, when I get a chance, it doesn't doesn't feel like work. It feels like this excitement for, finishing a project or doing something, with the creativity that I have that maybe I didn't get to throughout the week because I was managing aspects of the business. Right now on the weekend, I get to kind of tap into this creativity that I have to start to put together new plans and new things, new exciting things that my team and I can work on. And so, it's just, I don't know, like I appreciate that. Sophia says, you are so positive. I appreciate that. My friends tell me that too. Sometimes they're like, it's annoying, but I really can't help it. It's like, it's who I am. And just looking at the brighter side of everything. What's going on, Hafsa? It's good to see you. Brian, hello. We're talking all things premium courses, luxury coaching and mentorship brands, entrepreneurship, all of those things. So I hope that you guys are doing well. Let me know inside of the chat, like, where are you guys watching from or what time it is? I'm always so interested in the global reach that we are having inside of the Academy. So I appreciate you all for being here. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when new episodes drop. If you're looking for a way to start your premium courses, you're not sure, what this plan should be, and you want a fun way to do it, go to jumpfirstacademy.org. I do not do anything all stuffy and regular here. I like having fun. I like the excitement. I like helping people really bring forth their passions. Like, what you're working on should be fun. And if you're looking for a fun way to do premium courses, jumpfirstacademy.org is where you want to go. There's a free training there. There are free resources as well as paid resources, depending on what path you want to take. It's totally up to you. If you're looking to go fast and fast track this thing, then I'm encouraging you to grab some of the resources that you're going to find over at jumpfirstacademy.org. Okay. Belgium in the building. What's going on? I love this global reach. What's up, Belgium? I love it. It's 8:41. Okay, I like it. I am doing well, Sophia. I hope that you are too. I appreciate all of y'all. I just need to bring this real quick. It gets done when you show up. All those people who are talking about, pro tip for your courses too, people who are talking about evergreen, pardon me, y'all, I'm like getting over like allergies or sinuses or something. I don't know what's going on. But people are talking about evergreen. People are talking about putting sales on autopilot, right? And when we talk evergreen, it really means that you can start bringing in sales. You can reach people, make impact without needing to be present 24/7. And that is absolutely true. But can I tell you a secret? It's not really a secret. You got to put in the work first. Okay. So you have to set up the systems on the back end that are going to enable you to that. So I don't want people to be pulling the wool over your eyes, okay? It really is a process. Also, there is still an aspect of you needing to show up for your clients, your students, your mentees specifically, who are inside of your courses. Now, it may not be all the time. It depends on your schedule and how you really want that to flow. I have some of my mentees and clients who choose to show up once a month, right? For their mentees, their students, their clients. Others are once a week or bi-weekly. It's totally up to you. You set the schedule, and it's typically for like an hour, okay? Whether that's once a month, bi-weekly, or weekly. Just 1 hour. All right. So, but again, they have the systems on the back end that are enabling them to do that. So don't, like, when you see evergreen, when you see autopilot, please know that it doesn't just mean that you're completely hands off, especially when it comes to your premium courses, your luxury coaching and mentorship brands. People who are investing the amount of money for premium courses and luxury mentorship and coaching, we're talking, you can start charging somewhere between $4,000, $5,000, all the way up to whatever it is that you want to charge. But it's about building out the right community, building out the right program. So I have some students who are charging $4,000, others $6,000, others $8,000 and $10,000 and up. It's totally up to you. It's totally doable, but it's the value that you're going to put inside of those programs as well. Okay. So if you don't believe that that's possible, I'm encouraging you, go check out the training at jumpfirstacademy.org. It'll show you exactly what's possible. And I also understand, like, sometimes we don't believe the things that we've never seen before or done before, okay? I totally get it. There are lots of testimonials, client reviews, all those things at jumpfirstacademy.org to show you it's not just me doing it, but I'm actually teaching other people how to do this too. I want so many more people to be able to do this, especially my high performers. Like, you've done so much in your life. You've accomplished so much in your life. Like, you deserve to be paid your worth, okay? You don't have to settle for undercharging, okay, and feeling like you're undercharging. Like, does that make sense? Because that's how I felt when I first got started. I was like, man, I paid a university and paid several university and colleges, okay, for this education. I have not just paid financially, but some of the trauma that we've experienced, the emotional, psychological experiences that we've been through, like you want to help people not have to go through that, and it's like if I could have paid somebody to really understand how I needed to be showing up and how I needed to be moving to avoid some of the pain that I've gone through unnecessarily, then I probably would have. Okay. Same way I would have paid a university or college, the same way I did pay a university or college, okay, to learn from folks who weren't necessarily doing the things that they were teaching me. So I want you to be able to teach from your lived experiences. That's important to me. And that's why I do what it is that I do. So if that's you and you're interested in discovering what courses are really about and what's possible with premium online courses, what you can charge, how to package them, and really how to make them effective so that you impact and transform somebody else's life, then go to jumpfirstacademy.org, okay? Also, I want you to, if you're watching this and you haven't already subscribed, please do, but at least hit the like button, okay? It helps spread this message out to more people. That's so important to me. It's part of my mission, part of my vision and what I want to see happen with this digital education company that was established in 2018. So I'm super excited to be here. I'm super excited to still be serving. I appreciate all of y'all. I hope that you're having an amazing Friday. Hey, IG, I see you on as well. If you're looking for the replay, it's over at the Jump First Academy YouTube channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, know that I appreciate you also. Thank you for being here. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you being a part of this community. I will catch y'all back here hopefully tomorrow. Have an amazing rest of your Friday. I'm going to go celebrate my niece's birthday. She's turning 6, and so that should be super exciting. Texas Peach, what's going on? I like your screen name. Jump First because it says, why do you call it Jump First? I always like to say the question out loud before I answer. I appreciate that question. I call it Jump First because sometimes a lot of the things that we do, a lot of the ways that we need to move in life requires us to take action first, requires us to step out on faith. And so Jump First was actually founded on a huge proponent of my faith. Okay, I do not hide that all day long. And so Jump First was founded on Hebrews 11:1. Now, faith is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen. And so a lot of the experiences that I've had in my life have required me to step out on faith. And every time I decided to do that, I discovered a new part of me. I was, transformed. They were transformative experiences that I went through. And I also, things always turned out better than I anticipated, than if I would have just done it on my own. And so, huge proponent of faith. And I just believe, again, sometimes we gotta take the leap. We gotta jump, okay? So in order to fly, you must jump first. That's the tagline for Jump First, and I truly, truly live it. It's not just a brand for me. It is a lifestyle. So I appreciate that question. Thank you so much for being here on today. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go celebrate my niece, and hopefully I will catch you guys back here tomorrow. Again, check out jumpfirstacademy.org to get started. You'll learn more about how Jump First was founded and all the good work that we've been doing. Texas Peach says, love it. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Sending you so much love. Sending all of you guys love. Ava, what's going on? It's good to see you on. I'm excited. Okay. So again, if you just got on, then go back. You can go back and watch the replay of this. You'll catch the beginning. So we're talking how to really just show up and get stuff done. Okay. I appreciate all of y'all. Again, I'm out of here. Texas Peach, your name is Sonia. I love it, with a J. Mine is with an I. So it's really good to meet you. I love it. I love it. It says, I like Jump First too. Yes, thank you. I appreciate that. It's always good to connect with like minds and like spirits. So I appreciate you. Very, very nice to see y'all. I appreciate all of y'all. Ava, we are on IG and we're on YouTube. So I know it's like, who are you talking to? Who's over there? Who's over there? So IG is here and YouTube as well. So I appreciate all of y'all for being on. Again, hit the like button at least so that we can continue to spread this message out. Share this with somebody. And IG, if you're watching this and you're looking for the replay, link in bio, or just head over to the Jump First Academy YouTube channel. You can search it right on YouTube. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all so much. I'm out same time, well, different time tomorrow. I'm usually on between 8 and 10 a.m. Eastern time, okay, in the morning. So check it out, okay? Hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I'm live. Other than that, y'all, I'm out. I'm gonna finish my cup of coffee so I can run around with my little 6-year-old niece. All right, catch y'all later. Have an amazing Friday. Bye, y'all.